Survivor bonus base. Here's one way to go about doing it. Send your controllers in, but only a few at a time. And if they start to take damage, stop. Send some more in. Don't send a bunch. You don't need a bunch. Spread these guys out just a little bit. Get this guy right here. Get this guy right here. Get these guys. Okay, here they come. Here they come. The other guys, let's shoot them. I do a lot of stop and start. You get less damage that way. Most of the troops you don't need to kill, but we got to get past these troops, so we have to kill them. All right, bring in some other controllers. I just have a bunch of things of 4, so I just take a little bit, get over there, stay there. All right, let's see, get this guy over here moving. These guys in the front, you have to get moving. All right, now let's move over here. We got to clean out those ones and these ones because we have to get in there. But most of the rest of the troops you don't have to deal with, so you don't. You kill what you have to kill. These smoke guys are a pain in the butt. They'll kill you dead real quick. All right. See if we can wake these guys up. All right, here they come. Here they come. Let's bring in a few more. All right, this guy's almost dead, so we should be all right. I don't let him get much damage. That way I can repair him instantly, and I can do another base. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Come on. All right, got him. Now we're just going to shoot stuff. Most of the stuff won't hurt you. Got to watch out for these guys here. I guess it shoots the first thing in line. I'm trying to shoot over there, but it's shooting everything else in between. Now what we're going to do is, once he turns around, we can kill him. There. Now you can kill him. Well, it was easier last time. See if we can get him. That should get him. Boom. Got him. All right. Just play a cat and mouse game with him. You don't have to kill the troops. You only have to kill the buildings. So you only kill them when you absolutely have to. If you don't have to, you stay away from them. All right, here he comes. You should kill him in like 2 times. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, we're going to have to run a little bit. He's getting too close. As soon as he turns around, he's dead. Bingo. Stop shooting me. Let's get these guys out of here. Oh, I brought over escorts. Brought over the wrong troops. I don't know what I'm doing. Where's my other set of controllers? Right there. I just keep getting a little bit of damage, then I switch over. Make some more. All right, we got to get rid of these guys. So what we will do, so you don't have to kill the buildings, so you don't need to worry about them. But these 2 guys are right in the way. They're a problem. Stop right there. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. All right. Now we got to just clean out the buildings. That's all you have to do. All right. Now here, you're going to have to deal with him. But other than that, just kill the buildings. So as much as you can, just kill a building at a time. Stay away from the people if you can. Here he comes. We'll deal with him later. We'll deal with him later. All right. And each time I just bring in a couple more controllers that haven't died yet. Here's a couple more. Just a little bit of damage. We're almost done. Don't worry about the troops, just kill the buildings. Okay, this only has 3. We'll be all right. He's the only one you really have to worry about now. We can kill the rest of these from long range. All right. You get a little bit of damage, but not much. We'll see how much. This should kill him. All right, get out of there. Come over here and stop, and they should stop. Turn around. There you go. If you stop moving, they will stop attacking. Okay, we only got 1 left. If they start attacking and you're not ready, just restart. Why take damage? There's only 1 thing we have to kill now. We just need 1. The only thing left to kill is right here. So once this guy shoots, we'll go kind of in between here. Once he shoots, we're out of there. That should do it. That's it. That's how easy it is. Now let's see. We shouldn't have got much damage. Let's see what we have. So that's one way to do the Survivor bonus base with controllers. 1 minute and 9 seconds. What's the other one got? 8 minutes, but 8 minutes is not 8 minutes. How much we got now? 2 minutes. Just to show you how little bit of damage you get. This one needs to have a repair. 3 minutes. Like I said, it's immediate repair because you don't let them get very damaged. That's it. As you can see, it was immediate repair. You go do another one. Okay, that was it.